Hey guys, today we're doing a BoxyCharm video. First thing is Mini 2 Turbo on the Go Dryer. Your new Petty Mini Turbo on the Go Dryer is powerful.
Just show it, Mommy.
What is this word?
Just show it. Portable, lightweight, and easy to use.
So it is.
You show it and I read the stuff, okay?
Okay. Oh, this is kind of cool to get out.
Ooh.
It's purple, my favorite color. Ooh. Ooh.
All right. Let's go to the next one.
Next one is, oh, let me put this away.
Just put it on the side, Mommy.
Okay. Second thing is, let's see. Ooh.
That is a Good Vibes mascara.
It's. Can I open it to show them? Okay. This junk. Ooh, that's cool.
That's to curl the lashes. Give it to me. Okay, go to the next one.
Next we have is. Ooh. Let's see.
What it says up front?
Tarty. Let me see what's in here. Ooh. This is beautiful. Very cute. So this is pink.
Mm-hmm.
Gold.
That's for your cheeks. Mm-hmm.
Oh. I only have one of these. What is this?
That's a Pro Glow Chic Palette Volume 3.
Ooh. Why does it have volume 3?
Because they have a lot of them.
Oh. So, is it cute?
Mm-hmm.
Next is
That's the Dominique Cosmetic Lemonade Lip Gloss.
I'm gonna see how this smells. Ooh. Smell it.
Put it in your lips. How it feels?
Soft. Ooh, nice color. Is that lipstick?
Yes, it's lip gloss.
Next we have a spray. What is this?
That is
Skin and Co.
Truffle Therapy Radiant Mist.
Wait.
Not in your face. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. But far. Close your eyes.
It smells minty.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this is... Okay, next we have is... It's for your hair.
Mm-hmm.
Living Proof for Dry Volume Blast. Ooh.
That won't smell.
Only if I spray it. I want to see this. What is this?
That's the lid for this.
Okay. Next we have is no porn bloom. Oh, this is. Ooh.
Be careful when you put it in your hand. On the palm. That's for your
This?
face. Yeah. How it smell?
Smells.
Okay.
Smells good.
Rub it on your hands and put it on your face.
Wait, let's see. Slowly.
Okay.
Next is Dr. Prant. What is this?
That is the Clean Biotic pH balanced yogurt cleanser.
It even says it right here.
That's dirty.
What?
Look. You have the seal. Okay, it's closed. Get the next one.
The last one is Honeymoon Glow. This one's dirty too.
Yeah. What it says up front? Pharmacy.
Honeymoon Glow. Ooh, that's good. Can I see it? It's kind of hard to open. Got my favorite color. It's beautiful.
Be careful.
Is
Okay,
there nail
mommy.
polish?
No. I think you opened it wrong. You have a pump.
Yeah. Put it here.
Smell good?
It smells good.
And that's it?
Yeah. So
What
that's all for today.
What do you think about the box?
Beautiful.
Beautiful?